In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix missing textures on the Zeqa server. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go up to Minecraft, then go to the main menu and select on settings. Go to left menu, select over here where it says storage. Then you want to go ahead and scroll down, select on cache data. And once you're over here, you're going to notice that there's going to be a bunch of texture packs and stuff like that. And also be sure to select on multi-select. And what you want to do is you want to find all texture packs that have like the name Zeqa on it. And basically what could be happening is that one of these files is actually corrupted or is a little bit messed up and therefore causing Zeqa to actually have missing textures. So you'll notice I will have other servers as well, such as Ares, the Hive, etc. So yep, here's Zeqa Network. And let's just go ahead and select on it and scroll down and delete all instances of Zeqa. All right, then go ahead and press on delete and then press on delete one more time. Afterwards, close out the settings and then go ahead and load back into Zeqa and it should actually fix the issue. All right, and then check this out. We now have the Zeqa logo right over here and we should be good to go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.